Hey everyone, it's Sarah with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and today I want to make a video sharing a personal thing with you all because this video, as you can already tell, is a little bit different than the other videos I upload on this channel. And I have a personal announcement to make, and it's an exciting announcement. I want to share with you all that I am pregnant, and the reason I want to share with you all this is because if you're going to be watching my videos over the next 8 or 9 months, you're going to notice that I'm looking a little bit different. You're going to notice that my stomach is going to be growing. I may be waddling at times as I'm lecturing on the board, and maybe a little short of breath sometimes. And the reason why is because I'm growing a baby. So I wanted to share that exciting news with you. This will actually be my second child, and my first child is 6, so there's going to be like a 6-year age difference between these two children, which is how me and my husband planned it really. And we're just really very, very excited. Ben's excited. Zach is especially excited because he gets to be a big brother. So here's the picture of your brother or sister. Are you excited from our ultrasound?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to be the best sibling ever. Yeah. You know that?
I'll kiss and love on it all.
Oh. And my husband, Ben, is excited, but unfortunately, he has been just as sick as I have during that first trimester.
Yeah, there's this thing called Kivod syndrome, and it is totally real. I have been just as sick as she has, been absolutely exhausted, all these symptoms. I'll probably talk about it in the video, but it is just crazy what you women have to go through.
Yeah, well, at first, I didn't believe him. I was just like, yeah, but it's interesting. If he makes that video, you'll see why it really is true. Yeah. And I felt sorry for you, but at least he knew what I was going through.
Yes, but we're excited,
yes.
And it's going to be awesome and just a blessing, and we're excited.
Yes. The baby will be due sometime this summer, which is another exciting thing for me because I've always wanted a summer baby. My first baby was born in December, so this one will be born sometime this summer. So we're looking forward to that. So right now I am in my second trimester, and let me tell you, I'm happy to be there because that first trimester was a little bit rough. Now with my first one, the first trimester just really went by fast. I did good, maybe had a little bit of nausea, but this one has been a whole different ball game, which they say it's like that. And so it's gonna be interesting to know if this child is a boy or a girl. And you're probably wondering, what do you want? Do you want a boy? Do you want a girl? Well, really, I will be happy with a boy. I'll be happy with a girl. Either one will be awesome. So we'll find out probably sometime next month. Right now I'm about 14 weeks along, and I'm showing already. I actually started showing really early, I thought, but it is my second pregnancy, and I started going into maternity clothes early on. Like right now I'm already wearing some maternity pants, and these things are the best invention ever. Let me tell you, ladies, invest in some if you decide to get pregnant. So I'm in those, and but I'm in the second trimester now, which is really good because that first trimester, as I said before, is really hard, and it was really a chore trying to film lectures and do things because it's just, you're tired, you're fatigued, and things like that. So I'm excited to be in the second trimester. And today we actually had our first ultrasound, which I'm always excited about the first ultrasound because you get to see the baby, you get to see that heartbeat and everything like that. So we had our first ultrasound and we got to see baby, and baby's doing good. Heartbeat was like 156. And just amazing to really look and see that you have this little baby growing in your belly down there, because now that I'm in the second trimester, I don't really feel pregnant. And so to see this little baby just in the womb is just awesome. And regarding videos and updating you guys about this, I will be posting like updates on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see that. Also, I want to be making some maternity lectures to help you in your nursing classes because we're going to expand a little bit more on our maternity nursing lectures. So I'll be having that. Plus, I'll be talking about, some of my symptoms and things that I'm going through with this pregnancy. So if you're interested in that, check that out. So yeah, I just wanted to share that awesome news with you all and let you know what's going on. Plus, let me just show you my bump real fast. Let you see how far along I am right now. About 14 weeks. So we're excited. Okay, so that wraps up this video, which is a personal announcement video. And again, stay tuned for those maternity lecture videos. The video I'm going to have come out very soon will be on fetal circulation. So that should help you for those exams. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and be sure to follow me on social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc.